In this video, I will show you how to parse the human-friendly date texts via ChatGPT into a format that can be handled by the plugin. I found a Finnish website that shows dates in an unstructured format. I configured the site settings to retrieve the title and content of the posts from that site. Let's take a look at a sample post. Let me test the site settings to show you what information is retrieved via the current settings. The date is assigned as the current date. We want to use the date shown in the target post page instead. Here is the date of the post. It is in Finnish. Let me load the page in the browser so that I can translate it to English. You can see the date text here. It says the post was published yesterday at 22:42. Let me select this date text as the published date. This date format cannot be handled by the plugin. We can use ChatGPT to parse this human-friendly date text into a format that the plugin understands. Let me retrieve the current date as a shortcode. I will use it in the system message I will send to ChatGPT. The crawling variables are not displayed because of the styles used in the target page. Let me remove the styles so that I can select the current date variable. Okay, now we have the current date. Let's go to the options box of the post date selector setting. Here is my system message. You can pause the video to read it. Basically, I tell ChatGPT that the messages are date texts that must be parsed to the given format. I also give the current date so that it can use it to parse the relative days such as yesterday or 2 hours ago. After defining the system message, I define a user message that contains the date text found in the target page, which is the value of the WCC item shortcode. Let's test it. The value of the WCC item shortcode I entered here says yesterday at 22:42 in Finnish. I also give the value of the current date shortcode to be able to test the created OpenAI GPT shortcode. Perfect. Although I did not tell ChatGPT in the system message that the dates could be relative, it understood the given relative date, used the given current date, and parsed it into the format I specified. Now let's copy the created shortcode and use it as the value of the date template. Let's test if this works. Great! We successfully parsed the unstructured date into a structured date and gave it to the plugin. The plugin then used the parsed date as the published date of the post as expected. Now you know how to easily parse the unstructured dates. Thanks for watching and see you in another WordPress content crawler video.